In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an Indeed account for employers. By the end, you'll be fully signed in and ready to start posting jobs for your company or organization. Let's get started from the moment you've just created an Indeed account. After you've gone through the basic sign-up process on Indeed, you'll arrive at a screen that asks you to choose how you want to use your new account. Indeed separates users into two main types, job seekers and employers. Since you're planning to hire, you'll want to make sure you're setting things up on the employer side. On this screen, you'll see the option to continue as a job seeker or as an employer. Take a moment here and double check that you select employer. This is important because choosing job seeker will take you to tools meant for people looking for work, not for posting jobs. Go ahead and click on employer so Indeed can configure your account with the right hiring features. Once you choose employer, Indeed will move you into a brief security step to protect your new account. This is where two-factor authentication or 2FA comes in. Two-factor authentication adds a second layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a temporary code that only you can access. This helps prevent other people from getting into your account, even if they somehow know your password. Indeed will usually give you two main options for this code. You can receive it through a phone number or you can use an authenticator app. If you choose the phone number option, you'll type in a valid mobile number that you have access to. Indeed will then send a code by text message. If you prefer the authenticator app route, you'll use an app on your phone, like a standard authentication app, to generate a secure code. Pick the method that's easiest and most reliable for you. Many people find text message codes convenient, but authenticator apps can be more secure and don't rely on having a cell signal. Once you've decided, follow the on-screen prompts to either enter your phone number or connect your authenticator app. After you've set up your chosen method, Indeed will send or generate a one-time security code. Go to your phone or your authenticator app, find the code, and then carefully type it into the verification box on Indeed. Make sure you enter it accurately and within the time limit, since these codes usually expire after a short period for security reasons. If the code doesn't work, you can request a new one and try again. When the code is accepted, your two-factor authentication is confirmed and your employer account is now fully protected and signed in. At this point, you're officially logged into Indeed as an employer. You'll be taken into the employer dashboard where you'll see options to post a job, manage candidates, and customize your company's hiring presence. From here, you're ready to create and publish your first job posting. You can start by clicking the option to post a job, then follow the guided steps to add your job title, description, location, and any other details you want applicants to see. And that's all you need to create an Indeed account for employers. Secure it with two-factor authentication and get to the point where you can start posting jobs.